Okay, since I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi programming Python lessons, I thought I would go ahead and work through his Python for Beginners tutorials. This is lesson 14, reading and writing files. I will go ahead and start the program now. It asks how many students do you have? I will say 3. Enter the average grade, or the name for student number 1 is Tom. Enter Tom's average grade. I'll say 77. Student number 2 is Dick. Dick's average grade is 88. Next student's name, student 3, is Harry for this example. You can use any. And it asks his average grade. We'll say Harry is the smartest of the bunch and give him a score of 90. It says the data has been stored to file. So we'll come up here and we'll go to the read files part of the homework, where we read the data again, and we will just run the program. It goes in, it opens the file and says 3 names in this file. Their names are Tom, Dick, and Harry. What student are you interested in? Well, let's just see what Dick's score was. We'll say Dick. His average grade is 88. Would you like another student? I've gone ahead and prompted for capital Y, but you can use a capital Y or a lowercase y in this case. What student are we interested in? Tom. And we get his score. Go again. Well, no, I don't care. I'm going to just enter no. And it lists the names of the students and their scores, just to demonstrate that the entire file was read in, read out, and the data in the array for the scores. I will post this to the website for the tutorial 14 on YouTube, and I will post the link to this on mine, or vice versa.